really felt in 3 days have changed their life. The way I was looking the life before and after now, like as you mentioned in the 3 days that be grateful, take the responsibility. And it's the biggest thing. Don't give the responsibility, take the responsibility, and you will feel more powerful. And my intake for today's session is like, before I was like that, no, no, I don't want to take the responsibility. I was just running from there. But we have to be bold, take the responsibilities. Okay, let it on come on me so that and the universe will make you more powerful then. Thank you so much.
I didn't know why I'm doing this. Maybe I took it as a challenge. That's why I started the doing course. Otherwise, there is no reason to do the course. I didn't want to do it. But difference mentally, physically, all the differences I found after doing that course. Because since I did the course about 2007, regularly I'm doing my Sudarshan Kriya, and I had that time I had arthritis and I was using the 6 Tylenols a day. But first time when I did the course, after breathing first day I was doing the Sudarshan Kriya, all the smell of Tylenol from my mouth, I couldn't eat it. Then I got irritated. I said, I'm not going to eat the Tylenol. And then slowly that I stopped taking the Tylenols. I have got still arthritis, but hardly I ever take the Tylenols. That's the advantage, and I felt more energetic after doing this Darshan Kriya and more calm. The things every time I get worried. Little things make me worried or stressful, but the stress of that part is gone. So I felt lots of advantages, health wise, physically, mentally, spiritually, because meditation gone very deep, maybe with the grace of Guruji. So I think everybody should do that course. Both of you, Ankita and Maheshji, you explained it. That was very clear.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah.